Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning English Pro. I'm Jer, your online tutor and guide. Today we're delving into the captivating world of psychology, exploring essential psychological terms. Whether you're a psychology student or just curious about the human mind, this video is for you. And as usual, all the terms covered in today's lesson are available for you in the video description if you want to follow along or revise after the lesson. So let's get started with our first term, which is the topic of our lesson, psychology. Psychology is the scientific study of the human mind and behaviour. It seeks to understand and explain our thoughts, feelings, and actions. Psychology. Next up, we have the word behaviour, which has different spellings in American and British English. Behaviour encompasses all actions and reactions of an individual or organism, from simple reflexes to complex interactions. Behaviour. Now let's explore cognition. Cognition refers to mental processes such as perception, thinking, reasoning, and problem solving. Repeat after me. Cognition. Emotion is our next term. Emotions are complex psychological and physiological responses to events or situations, involving feelings like joy, fear, anger, and more. Emotion. Moving on to memory. Memory is the ability to store, retain, and recall information and experiences. Memory. Consciousness is the awareness of one's thoughts, feelings, and surroundings at any given moment. Consciousness. Next, we have perception. Perception is the process of interpreting sensory information to understand and make sense of the world. Perception. Stress is a psychological and physiological response to challenging situations, often leading to feelings of tension or anxiety. Stress. Now, motivation. Motivation is the internal or external drive that initiates, directs, and sustains behavior towards a goal. Motivation. Personality is a unique set of enduring characteristics, behaviors, and traits that define an individual. Personality. Moving on to intelligence. Intelligence is the capacity to learn, reason, and solve problems effectively. Intelligence. Our next term is abnormal psychology. This is the study of atypical behaviors and psychological disorders, aiming to understand and treat them. Abnormal psychology. Therapy refers to the various treatments and interventions used by psychologists and mental health professionals to help individuals improve their psychological well-being. Therapy. Our next term is social psychology. This focuses on how individuals are influenced by social interactions and the impacts of groups on behavior and attitudes. Social psychology. We also have developmental psychology. This type of psychology examines the psychological growth and changes that happen from infancy to old age. Developmental psychology. The word I've already mentioned is anxiety. Anxiety is a state of uneasiness or worry, often accompanied by physical symptoms such as increased heart rate and restlessness. Repeat after me. Anxiety. Depression is a mood disorder characterized by persistent sadness and a loss of interest or pleasure in activities. Depression. The term self-esteem means an individual's overall evaluation of their self-worth and self-perception. Self-esteem. Schizophrenia is a severe mental disorder characterized by disorganized thinking, hallucinations, and a loss of contact with reality. Repeat after me. Schizophrenia. Psychotherapy is a form of treatment involving psychological techniques and talking to a trained therapist to address emotional and mental health issues. Psychotherapy. Understanding these psychological terms is a window into the fascinating world of psychology. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others interested in the human mind and behaviour. For other medical-related vocabulary lessons, click the links on screen. Thanks for joining me today. Have a fantastic day, and remember, keep learning English like a pro.